Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Contract Simplified, your space for decoding complex legal concepts with ease. I am Advocate Kritika, and together we will turn tricky legal scenarios into interview winning answers in the series of Legal Interview Question and A. Now, let's dive straight into today's question of the day. It is: your contract repository shows multiple versions of the same contract signed with different terms. How do you proceed? Always start with acknowledging the risk or issue, then explain your immediate corrective steps, and finally suggest a preventive measure so that the answer shows both problem solving and forward thinking skills yours. The ideal answer would be: this is a serious governance issue. I would identify the latest valid version based on dates and signatures, notify stakeholders, and ensure only one version is marked active, move others to archived or obsolete or cancelled status in the CLM tool, and establish version control protocols and ensure audit trials are maintained. Lastly, I would recommend a CLM system with a strict check in or checkout access and approval workflows to avoid recurrence. This is just one way to tackle this scenario. There could be even better answers out there. Share your take on this particular answer in the comment section. And if you found this helpful, do not forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's grow and learn together. See you in the next episode.